What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're finally going to do the Power Commander install. It's gonna be pretty quick. Get over here. You come here. Come here. Come on. Because I want to show everybody how cool you look. Duh. Time for the install.
All you're going to need to remove the seats and prop up the gas tank is a 5mm Allen key to undo the bolts there for the two on the front seat and the two holding the front of the gas tank on. Then lift up the gas tank and take a hammer or some type of rod of any kind to prop it up.
All right, so you got the back seat and the front seat off. And I've already wired once upon a time a security system in here. But you're gonna stick the module part of the Power Commander there, and then through this little tunnel, through here, you wanna run the wire down this way, and then you're gonna get down here, you're gonna ground your wire, one part here, and then run the rest of it right down in here. This is the hardest part. So in there, this one, and this clear one, so there's a black one and a clear one. Those are going to be the ones that match up here with these. So you take this end, plug it into where it needs to go straight to the throttle body, and then plug the end that's stock from the bike into this part. So yours should look a little something like this once you feed it through this little tunnel here. Okay, so I went through and I just pushed one through it at a time. And I got all four of them through. And so what I'm gonna do now is just kind of pull the rest of this through. I'm going to set the module in the back. And then I'm actually gonna connect these to the throttle body connectors first before I set up to the ground on the battery. In the directions that come with the Power Commander, it says to run it through the back tunnel and then basically connect to the ground wire and then connect the connectors to the throttle body. Me personally, I don't know, I've always had like this fear that the battery's gonna shock the hell out of me. And it had to do with the fact that I got shocked by a car battery one time. And so, you know, just ever since then, I've just always made sure that like the actual like attaching to the battery part when it comes to anything like that, like sound systems, security systems, I've just always avoided it. Try to make it the very last thing. So at least like, you know, if I get shocked and stuff, I finish the job. Yeah.
So actually really simple. I thought it was gonna be a lot more of a pain in the ass, really. But just all I gotta do now is just Velcro the module down into the back, and then just remount the gas tank in the front seat, stick my back seat back on, and we're done. That's it. Start the bike up and we see what happens. So I'm outside now. It was very hot in the garage, but finished the install. You guys got to hear it, and it sounds kind of the same, a little bit richer, and you can smell it. It smells like gas. So there might be some tuning that needs to be done for the mapping, but maybe we'll get a chance to go and throw it on a dyno someday soon, and we can get the little bugs out, tweak it a little bit, and get the performance up and make it sound and smell a little better, unless that's normal. Not sure. Anyways, thanks for watching.